Has siren.
Ambulance, police car,
Yes.
and fire truck.
Okay, so what is the ambulance for?
Taking the people to the hospital.
Who works in the hospital?
The doctor.
What does the doctor do?
Pick up.
What does the doctor have?
Power.
No.
Power.
No.
What?
What does the doctor have?
Stethoscope.
Okay, very good. So what is the stethoscope for?
Taking the heartbeat.
Yes. So if you are sick, what should you do?
When medicine.
Yes.
And the medicine will kill the corona.
Yes. So where can you buy medicine?
In the pharmacy.
Okay, so that. So what is the police car for?
Corona.
What is the police car for?
Taking the
Why? Why?
why
Yes.
the police car because of people so naughty and
How are they naughty?
get
They steal. They steal.
the thing of everyone.
Yes.
And the
So
police-
and then what does the police do? Anh ơi.
What?
And then what does the police do?
Put that into the bin.
Really? Yes. So what is the fire truck for? What is the fire truck for?
Putting our fire.
Who drive the fire truck?
Fire.
And then what will they do?
They put our
they
fire.
They take. What are they take?
The hole and they play the rock.